If your Victor Rotary machine has suddenly stopped working, but there's still a green power light on the handle, then most likely it would have cut out. This is due usually to the pad being dirty, and so that needs to be checked and swapped over. To reset the machine, there is a button which is located underneath the motor cowl here. To locate the reset button, first look for the black and orange label. This will indicate that the reset button on this particular machine is located underneath the motor cowl, around about 4 or 5 inches from the edge. It's a little plunger switch that once you press, the machine will then become activated. On older machines, this reset button might be located on the outside of the machine, but usually it will have the label which suggests whereabouts it is found. If you are still experiencing problems with your machines, please email technical@victorfloorcare.com and one of our operatives will be in touch shortly.